What if one narrow waterway could control the flow of global oil? The Strait of Hormuz is one of the most important shipping routes in the world. A huge percentage of global oil passes through this single choke point every day. But there's a problem. This route has always been vulnerable to tensions, disruptions, and uncertainty. That's why the United Arab Emirates is making a bold move, investing over $4.2 billion to reduce its dependence on this critical passage. Instead of relying only on ships passing through Hormuz, the UAE is building alternative routes to keep its oil flowing, no matter what happens. This isn't just an infrastructure project. It's a strategic shift that could reshape energy security in the region.
So, what exactly is the UAE doing? The centerpiece of this plan is a major pipeline that connects oil fields in Abu Dhabi directly to the port of Fujairah, located outside the Strait of Hormuz. This means oil can be transported across land, avoiding the risky choke point entirely. From Fujairah, tankers can ship oil directly to global markets without passing through the strait. It's faster, more secure, and far less vulnerable to disruptions. Fujairah itself is also growing into a major global energy hub, with massive storage facilities and advanced export terminals. In simple terms, the UAE is creating a backup system for its LNFT exports.
This project isn't just important for the UAE, it has global implications. If tensions ever disrupt the Strait of Hormuz, countries that rely on oil from the region could face shortages and rising prices. But with alternative routes like this pipeline, the impact could be reduced. It also gives the UAE more control over its exports, making it less dependent on geopolitical risks. And as more countries look for stable energy supplies, projects like this could become even more important in the future. In a world where energy equals power, control over supply routes matters just as much as the resources themselves.
Of course, this strategy isn't without challenges. Pipelines can't fully replace shipping routes, and the Strait of Hormuz will still remain critical for global energy. But this move significantly reduces risk. It shows how countries are adapting to an unpredictable world, investing in infrastructure to protect their QTSD and ensure stability. So the UAE's $4.2 billion project is more than just a pipeline. It's a strategic move to stay ahead in a high-stakes global energy game. And as tensions in the region continue to evolve, the real question is, will more countries follow this path?